Oh, what's that?
Yeah.
That's a book your mama can read you.
If he didn't have this book, does he?
No.
Because I had bought a couple and I've given him like for shower gifts and stuff. But
Wow.
I don't think I'd given him one.
Yeah, huh?
Book. Don't eat it.
Here, I think I got one. Is that? Oh, that's all.
One more.
No,
that's
one
his.
more.
Well, then, no, I got two more, but
Open it up, babe.
this one you'll have to help him with. And this one, I tried to take the sticker off, and it made a mark on the book.
Oh.
And I don't think I've given him one of these.
Not a boy.
'Cause I think he was too young last year, but I had a couple.
Ooh, I
They're
love
puzzles.
Oh.
So you open them up and each page is, it's like a story, but they pop out and they're puzzles.
Oh,
They're
cool.
about four pieces to a.
Nice.
page.
I've never seen that before.
Here's the last one.
One more.
Your last gift,
likes the-
Malachi.
For your birthday.
Which is today.
Yeah.
I got, isn't mine
Well, I
a gift?
will do that after.
Oh,
Well, I
okay.
guess it can be now.
Yeah, that's a Christmas gift, that one.
Yeah, I know.
You can do it, babe.
Good boy. What's in there?
You can do it, honey. You can do it. You're strong.
Take the cover off.
Is that it? Socks, huh?
Baby, you got socks.
Those what those are, socks?
The Spider-Man
Those
socks.
are socks, yes.
Oh, one more.
Oh.
What's in there?
Now, look. One nice gift.
What's in there?
There, huh? You gonna open it? You open it?
Help him. Just put it over.
I'll have this. I'll have it. There.
Push that in. This side too, man.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
He just throws it.
Oh, that's his birth certificate.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's the birth certificate for your bear.
Get your bear.
There, get the bear.
He's more interested.
The bear.
I guess his dish is his
Ah.
favorite.
It's a dog, actually.
Oh,
it's a
that's
dog. Hey, Malachi.
Watch.
Ruff.
Listen.
Give him a
Malachi,
hug. Give
come
him a
here.
hug.
Listen.
Listen, come here, press the button.
Merry Christmas, Malachi. Mimi and Granddad love you.
That is cool.
Wow, that's cool. Give him a hug.
Can you press it?
Merry Christmas, Malachi. Mimi and Granddad love you.
Okay.
Wow.
I don't know. Oh, right up
Merry
here.
Christmas, Malachi. Mimi and
There.
Granddad love you.
Well, he'll learn.
He'll learn.
That's nice.
I guess that's his favorite one.